It's summertime here in Wichita, and we have DC superheroes at Exploration Place. Let's go take a look. Oh, and if you're a Kansas family, I'll tell you how to get in free. I'm in the Hall of Justice, saving the world one asteroid at a time. But I can also save the world by laser vision and by flying. I love this part of the exhibit because it's physical and you can have teammates to help you out. Now, I'm here in S.T.A.R labs with my pal Green Lantern, and I'm working on my mental and physical skills. On the other side, you can find Flash if you can keep up with him. Whoa! Well, now that I worked on my mental and physical skills, I'm gonna go help save Gotham, where it's my job to try to help fix the bat signal. To do that, I have to go to the bank, to the jewelry shop, and to the flower shop. And then I run back over here and I can put in the secret code. It's good to do by myself. It's even better to have a teammate. Speaking of flowers, Sunflower Summer has started here in Kansas, and that means Kansas families with students can get into Exploration Place for free. And that's including all of the exhibits, including DC's superheroes. You can go to our website to find out what's all included. I had a great time working on my superpowers, but now it's time for me to return this cape so future heroes can wear it. Now, it's time for me to get back to my secret identity.